Grabovoi, concentration exercises, 26th day of the month. Exercise number 1. On this day of the month, you will learn simultaneously to see the whole and in its parts, the general and the specific. Let's say there is a herd of cows in front of you. You can see the entire herd, and at the same time, you can concentrate your attention on a single cow. You can simultaneously try to understand what this particular cow is thinking and how it will develop in the future. In the same way, you could observe an entire anthill and simultaneously concentrate your attention on a single ant. With the help of this concentration technique, you should learn how to see the whole and its part, the general and the specific, practically in one glance. This exercise helps you to develop this ability. You will be able to see the whole and its components simultaneously. Exercise number 2, 7-digit sequence of numbers. 1, 5, 8, 4, 3, 2, 1. 9-digit sequence. 4, 8, 5, 6, 1, 7, 8, 9, 1. Exercise number 3. Take into account the fact that you are continually developing. You should see that your development is a continuous, uninterrupted process. Occupy yourself with that which is eternal, for every action is eternal. Every object is an embodiment of eternity. Every individual is eternity, and every soul is a multitude of eternities. Go from a single unified eternity to diverse eternities, and you will see that there is only one eternity for everyone. Come to an insight into your soul through this, and you will see that you are the creator of whatever you need. Use this knowledge for the creation of each individual object, and you will see that each individual object has been created by you. Use this knowledge for the creation of your body, and you will understand that your body can restore itself at any time. Use this knowledge to recover the health of others, and their healing will give you additional experience. The healing of others always gives you personal experience. Recreation of anything always gives you additional experience. Do more good, bring more joy and happiness, and you will receive the gift of eternity in the form of a concrete technological tool of your consciousness. Expand your consciousness to satisfy the harsh requirements of eternity. And wherever eternity is expanding, overtake it. Overtake eternity within infinity and see yourself as the embodiment of the Creator. Create where eternity is just beginning to expand. You are the creator of eternity. You control eternity, and eternity will obey you always and forever.